So we have launched our Elasticsearch domain, and in this session we completely go through the operations that how to create indexes, how to uh, fetch that indexes, and how to delete indexes. So let's start. So this is my domain information, which you can see here. That's we have deployed in our previous session, and this is our endpoint. So I'm taking this endpoint for checking our health, and you can check your health from here also. So this is your health cluster health where your Elasticsearch is deployed, and here also you can find this cluster health. This is instance health. Sorry, this color cluster health. So both are different. So this is cluster health. That's a complete Elastic search health check. And let's move for the operations over here. So let's see the indexes first. So there are only one default index is created, that's a Kibana. And let's move to the console. So this is my another Linux machine. You can use any of Linux machine to perform the operations. Curl is necessary for this operation. So let's check the curl is over there or not. So curl is there. So I taken the list of commands over here. You will find the same command list in the same video section, and let's use this command. So this command is doing the creating the new indexes. The name is a sample, and in this document is the name and easy. So this doing the export. So this is the putting the data over the console of Elasticsearch. So you can see this is export is done. That's a curl request. Now you will find this index created over the indexes. So let's move here and refresh this page. Okay, so we got this, the new one is a sample over here. So this is created using this export request. So let's click here and you will find the document over here. Let's go back again the console, and if I want the list of indexes over here, so let's click here. So this will return all the list of indexes which I have created in the same domain. So there are the two indexes created. One is Kibana, that's a default one, and sample which created just now. So let's create one more over here. So I'm just updating the name here. Demo, and giving the name is demo document. So this will create a new index here. Let's get this information using the get command, and this get request. You will find the new demo here. You will same reflect the in console also. Let's refresh this one. Okay, there are three. Let's move for the next command. So this is going to search for specific parameters. So I want to search name which have the easy value. So let's search here. I'm just clearing here. Okay. So in the sample indexes, it search the name is easy. You'll see it's found the data here. So this is a completely JSON based data. So it's found the easy here. You see this. Okay. Let's move for the next command. So list of indexes already we did. Health check of your node. So let's do the health check. So it will check the health of your node and it will share the details over here. So this is the node here, it's in green state, and this number of nodes, it's 2 over there, data asset value, and this is the all information of your node health check. So you can find your details of the node health check through the API request. This is the HTTP based API request. Let's move forward the next one. I want to delete my index. The name is a sample. So you can use this command. So that's a simple curl -x delete, and at the end you have to pass the name of your indexes. So it's acknowledged is the true. So your um, index is deleted. Let's check whether it's deleted or not. So I'm listing the all indexes over there. So now sample index is deleted. Let's go console and validate. Okay, now sample index has been deleted. So this command will help you to perform the operation. I will say the same command. So you will find the multiple commands over there, Elasticsearch help, and this is all about how to perform Elasticsearch operation on deployment done in the AWS, where AWS is taking the fully managed service, and this our Elasticsearch how we deployed. And this is the completely information about Elasticsearch that you can use for your monitoring of Elasticsearch. So cluster health, index health, and indexes. Log you can create. You have to create the CloudWatch for the setup your log. So there is a three type of logs that you can see. This is error log, index log, and this is search log. So you can consider all your three. Just create the log group in CloudWatch and set up your logs from here.